Computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to a calculating device. Computers are versatile in nature and can handle different applications at the same time. The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. The need to keep a track of numbers led to the invention of different counting devices right from abacus, the first counting device. Many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Now we will discuss different devices one by one, starting from abacus.
Abacus was the first mechanical device for the calculations developed in China. It is used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is also used for extracting square roots and cube roots of a given number. It is made up of a wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has two beads and the earth has five beads. A skilled user can solve problems nearly as fast as somebody with a calculator.
The mechanical device abacus is shown in the given picture. Abacus, both the earlier and modern abacus. This picture shows different parts of mechanical device abacus like frame, rods, beads, lower deck, upper deck.
Pascal adding machine. This machine, invented by Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician and a philosopher, in the year 6042 at the age of 19. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction, but it cannot perform multiplication and division. It was too expensive. It used gears, wheels, and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It could perform the addition and subtraction operations directly, but multiplication and division operations were performed by repeating addition and subtraction. By repeating addition and subtraction. Originally called a numerical wheel calculator or Pascaline. Pascaline utilizes the train of 8 movable dials to add sums of up to 8 figures long. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of it.
This is the picture of the first mechanical calculator known as Pascal adding machine or Pascaline.
Leibniz calculator, the machine that can add, subtract, multiply and divide automatically. It can even find the square root of a given number. It was invented by famous German mathematician Leibniz in the year 1671. In the year 1671. It was a mechanical device, and Leibniz gave us the concept of binary number. Means what? 0 and 1, on and off. So Leibniz calculator was based on the Pascal's machine only.
This is the picture of the calculator developed by Leibniz. That means this is the picture of Leibniz calculator. What? Leibniz calculator.
Difference engine and analytical engine. It is an automatic mechanical calculator designed to compute tables of numbers such as logarithmic tables. It was invented by Charles Babbage, the father of computer, in the year 1822 and 1834. It is the first mechanical computer. Charles Babbage invented a working model of mechanical computer called difference engine in the year 1822 and analytical engine in the year 1833. Analytical engine had 5 units, that is input, output, store, mill and control. These units worked like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Analytical engine was the first general purpose computer. It was the first automatic programmable computer. Store was used for storing the data and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Charles Babbage was unable to complete his computer, the analytical engine, because of the lack of funding from the government.
In this picture, the first picture is the picture of the father of modern computer, Charles Babbage, and second picture is the difference engine developed by Charles Babbage. Third picture is analytical engine. It is also developed by the Charles Babbage analytical engine, which is the first general purpose computer.
First computer programmer. Augusta Ada is called as the world first programmer. She suggested binary data storage, that is 0 and 1, instead of decimal number system. She writes the program for analytical engine, so she is known for the first programmer. She was an English mathematician and a writer, chiefly known for her work on the Charles Babbage analytical engine.
This is the picture of the first programmer, Lady Augusta.
Tabulating machine. This machine was invented by Dr. Herman in 1819. This machine is capable of reading data, processing it, and giving the output. The input was given through punch cards. Input was given through punch cards. The punch cards were used to record and store data or information. This was electromechanical machine. And Dr. Herman was an American statistician.
This is the picture of tabulating machine developed by Dr. Herman.
Automatic sequence controlled calculator, also known as IBM Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator. This calculator was invented by Howard Aiken in 1944. It was a first electromechanical computer. It was based on punch cards and it was 50 feet long and 8 feet in height. Using Charles Babbage concept, mathematician Howard created first electromechanical computer in the year 1944.
This is the picture of the first automatic sequence controlled calculator, that is Mark I, developed in 1944 by Howard.
ENIAC. So it stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. It was first electronic general purpose computer completed in 1946. It was developed by John and Mauchly. It was made at Moore School of Engineering in USA. It consists of 18,000 vacuum tubes. It was developed for military purpose. 20 into 40 square feet room size, means the size of this was 20 into 40 square feet room sized. Next point is it was 1,000 times faster than the Mark I. It was 1,000 times faster than the Mark I.
This is the picture of the first electronic general purpose digital computer, that is ENIAC. It was turning complete and able to solve a large class of numerical problems through reprogramming.
UNIVAC 1. The full form of UNIVAC 1 is Universal Automatic Computer 1. It was the first commercial computer. It was developed by J. Presper and John Mauchly in the year 1951. It was the first computer to handle both numeric data and text data. This computer was faster and smaller than ENIAC computer. ENISC computer.
This is the picture of the first commercial electronic computer developed by J. Presper and John Mauchly in 1951.
EDVAC. The full form of EDVAC is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It was designed by von Neumann in 1952. Introduced system of binary language. It has a memory to hold both a stored program as well as data. It was the first stored program computer.
This is the picture of Eddy, who joined hands with Mauchly in a consulting role, and EDVAC was built using binary code in the year 1950.
The first portable computer. Portable computer is defined as computer that can be easily moved from one place to another place is a portable computer. The first successful portable computer was created by Adam Osborne and was released in 1981 by Osborne Computer Corporation. The look of Osborne one was just like a portable swing machine or hard body suitcase.
This is the picture of first successful portable computer designed by American engineer Lee of Osborne Computer Corporation in 1981.
First computer company. The first computer company was Electronic Controls Company, founded in the year 1949 by J. Presper and John Mauchly. EDSAC. Full form of EDSAC is Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. The first full-size stored program computer. EDSAC was built according to von Neumann machine principles. Invented by British government, it became operational in 1949.
John Napier, he made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones which were used for performing additions, subtractions, multiplication, division and square roots. John Napier was a famous mathematician who is best known for his invention of logarithms.